Hello friends, let me introduce to a fantastic open source product. Its name is AppWrite. AppWrite is an open source backend as a service. It allows you to manage your backend without writing a single line of code. In this video, we will try to understand what AppWrite is, what are its benefits, and what are its features. And by the way, if you don't know me, I am Puneet Diwan, an active community member of AppWrite. Let's begin the journey of AppWrite. Okay, so what the AppWrite is, as I told you, it's a backend as a service. It's totally abstracts the complex repetitive tasks on the backend side. It generates APIs and it provides a lot of tools to manage your backend. And that all the tools and APIs gets generated without a single line of code. That is the beauty of this product. It provides a console to manage all the resources. It is pretty easy to scale and deploy as it uses a Docker containers, which you are well aware of that it's a very scalable mechanism.
Let's look into its features. AppWrite provides a system for storing and querying your app documents with access control list permissions. It's pretty easy. You just store your documents in a NoSQL format and AppWrite will store it properly on the backend side. In addition to that, it also manages assets, that is files, photos, documents, PDFs for your application and the users of your applications.
It has a built-in job management feature. It manages your cron jobs very efficiently. Any backend is incomplete without the users, roles and accounts, etc. So AppWrite provides features to manage users, accounts and even roles. It has even a feature to manage teams. It also provides a feature to do image manipulation and transformations. It can provide a lot of features like cropping of image, resizing an image, and it can transform an image from a JPEG to WebP, which is very efficient web format. So it provides all sorts of image related features. AppWrite also provides data statistics like usage data statistics, more precisely like what is the bandwidth, how many APIs requests have been made, what is the storage capacity used so far. So all other other details like how many documents have been created in this database, all those records have been shown to the user on the console. It also provides the full localization and geo support. So you can customize the interface in your local language. As I told you in the last slide, it is based on the Docker containers, which allows it to be very scalable as well as secure because the containers are isolated in itself. Let's start with an installation. Let's go to a command prompt and try to install this. Okay, I hope it is pretty visible to everyone. To install AppWrite, the first and foremost requirement is that you should have a Docker installed on your system. If you don't have Dockers, you cannot execute AppWrite because it's a container base. So let's check whether Docker is installed. And yes, it is. You can see that my Docker version is being displayed. But in case if you don't have a Docker installed, no need to worry, just go to Google and go to docker.com. Hang on, okay, Dockers, go to products, go to Docker desktop and start downloading the Windows version. Okay, so here it is. I just clicked it and it's there. It's downloading. But since it's installed on my system, so I don't need to install, I am canceling it. When you do docker docker -v, you will be able to see this Docker version will be populated. Now the Docker is installed. You just need to install a single command to execute your AppWrite installation. It's pretty simple. Go to appwrite.io, go to docs, and go to installation. You can read about the installation here, and since you are going to install on Windows, so and that too on there are two variants on Windows. You can use either a command prompt or a PowerShell command. So this is a command based command. So just need to copy this, and it has been copied. Just paste it. Boom. And just press enter, and it will be installed in a moment. So see, it has started and started pulling images, and it is pulling the images. So it is how it will be installed, and the installation will the speed of the installation may vary according to the time speed of your internet connection. So since my internet connection is pretty much good, so it is downloading pretty fast. Okay, it has been downloaded and extracting it. See, it has started. Now it is asking for my now it is asking for my host name, which is default is the localhost. So I just need to enter default, which is localhost. So I don't need to enter anything. Similarly, it is asking on the port which it should run. So it's default 80, and all HTTP services, front-end HTTP services should run on port 80. Port 80 the default. So I am hitting enter. See, this is SSL port here. I am just hitting enter as well. CNAME target default is localhost, but in the case of real application, you may need to choose your domain name. But for time being, I am hitting enter and accepting the default. So it is pulling SMTP service as well, but okay. It seems that everything is installed and everything is running. Just if you want to make sure that everything is running, just do docker ps, docker ps. Okay, see, all these containers are successfully running. So again, we should go to this localhost, and my consoles pops up. So similarly, your console will pop up, and you just need to go to sign up, because this is the first time you're using it. So you have to just create your initial account, the owner's account, the first account, the platform owner account. So let me give a name. Let me give some interesting name. John, DOEJOHN, John @example.com, and some super secure password, which is JOHN@123. John@123 is my super secure password. But since it is not as secure, I'm just joking. So just click on this and you will be successfully logged in. I don't want to store this because eventually I'm going to blow up the system. So you are in the project folder. So you have to the first thing you have to do is to create a project. So let's say, just give a name, project name. So my project is test proj. Okay, and boom. So This is how you get the data. I just refreshed it once. Yeah. So you can see it has a lot of features. The first thing you have to do is to add the platform. As of now, we support web platform for web application and Flutter for mobile application. So you just need to select web application platform. Just give a name, web app, and boom. Oh, sorry, I missed this one, host name. So let me give a local host again. Local host, and boom. So the platform gets added. So we have now added a platform. So I think with this, the first part of the video is over. In other video, I will be covering each service in more details. So I think you enjoyed the video. If you really like the video, do hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and do share this AppWrite video so that it can be reached to more and more people, and we can share this beautiful product among the community. In case of any concerns, just send me a tweet at my Twitter handle, that is Puneet Diwan. It is mentioned on bottom left corner of the screen. In addition to that, if you can explore the website of AppWrite by visiting appwrite.io and its GitHub repository as well. Hope you enjoyed the session. See you next time. Bye bye. Take care.